In today's video, I am going to teach you AutoCAD Crosshair, not showing, and Crosshair. Not showing and cursor is not showing in AutoCAD. If your crosshair or cursor suddenly disappears in AutoCAD, it's usually tied to visual style glitches, graphics settings, or a system variable that changed without you noticing. I will walk you through a clean sequence of fixes, starting with the quickest display refreshes and moving to setting checks so you can get drawing again fast. First, refresh the visual style type V. S current in the command line. Press Enter. And switch to a different style such as conceptual or realistic. Once the screen updates, type Viscurrent again and return to 2D wireframe. This quick flip forces AutoCAD to redraw the view and often brings the crosshair back if it was a temporary display hiccup. If that doesn't do it, adjust hardware acceleration. Type graphics config and press Enter. In the dialog, toggle hardware acceleration off if it's on, or on if it's off, then apply the change. Graphics drivers and AutoCAD can occasionally fall out of sync. Flipping this setting makes AutoCAD rebuild how it talks to your graphics card, which can restore the missing cursor immediately. Next, confirm that AutoCAD is actually set to show crosshairs. Type cursor type and press Enter. Set it to 0 for the classic AutoCAD crosshair, or 1 if you prefer the standard Windows arrow. If this variable was changed, you might be seeing nothing or the wrong pointer without realizing it. If the crosshair is just too small to notice, increase its size, type Options, and press Enter. On the Display tab, find crosshair size and slide it up to a higher percentage. A larger crosshair is easier to spot across the drawing area, especially on high-resolution monitors. While you are in Options, check your colors. Go to Display. Then Colors. If the crosshair color matches the background, it will look invisible. Choose a contrasting color for the crosshair and ensure the background isn't the same shade. Apply and close the dialog to see the change right away. Finally, toggle dynamic input. Press F12 to turn it off or on. In some setups, dynamic input can interact with the cursor display in a way that makes it appear to vanish, especially near the origin or while entering coordinates. Toggling it quickly rules that out. Work through these checks in order, and you should see your crosshair or cursor return. If one change fixes it, you are done. Thanks for watching.